Welcome to Mobiment. Today we are diving into the all-new OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G 2026, a smartphone that is designed to redefine premium performance, elegant design, and next-level camera innovation. If you are looking for a powerful 5G device that delivers flagship-level features without compromise, this might be the device you have been waiting for. Let us begin with the design. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G 2026 features a stunning curved-edge AMOLED display that immediately gives it a premium and futuristic look. The ultra-slim body, metallic frame, and smooth glass finish make it feel incredibly comfortable in the hand. The display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming, and everyday scrolling. With a high refresh rate, every swipe feels smooth and fluid. Performance is where this device truly shines. Powered by a next-generation Snapdragon processor, the Reno 16 Pro 5G delivers exceptional speed and efficiency. Whether you are multitasking between apps, playing heavy games, or editing high-resolution videos, this smartphone handles everything effortlessly. The advanced cooling system ensures that the phone stays stable even during long gaming sessions, providing consistent performance without overheating. Now let us talk about the camera system, which is one of the biggest highlights of this device. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G comes equipped with a high-resolution primary sensor that captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos in all lighting conditions. The AI-enhanced night mode significantly improves low-light photography, allowing you to capture bright and clear images even in dark environments. The ultra-wide lens expands your creativity, while advanced portrait features create professional-level background blur. On the front, the upgraded selfie camera delivers natural skin tones and impressive detail, perfect for social media and video calls. Battery life is another major strength of this smartphone. The large battery capacity ensures that you can comfortably use the phone throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, the super-fast charging technology powers up the device in minutes, keeping you connected and productive. In terms of software, the Reno 16 Pro 5G runs on the latest Android version with OPPO's refined user interface. The system is clean, responsive, and packed with smart features that enhance daily usability. Security is also improved with an in-display fingerprint sensor and advanced face unlock technology. Connectivity is future-ready with full 5G support, ensuring ultra-fast download speeds, smooth streaming, and lag-free online gaming. Whether for work, entertainment, or creativity, this device is built to keep up with modern demands. Overall, the OPPO Reno 16 Pro 5G 2026 is a powerful combination of style, performance, camera excellence, and long-lasting battery life. It stands out as a strong contender in the premium smartphone category and offers tremendous value for users who want flagship features in 2026. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to subscribe to Mobiment for more in-depth smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest tech updates.